Hi, I'm Eric Roderiques. Thank you for joining me. I'm here to tell you the story of how a cartel of professional cybercriminals stole $150,000 from my family. This theft was accomplished through an online cyberscam. In this video series, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened, step by step. I'm not trying to scare you, but to prepare you. My goal is to give you the knowledge to protect yourself and the people you care about. Look, before you click away thinking, hey, I don't need this, I'm not stupid, I'd never fall for a cyber scam. Let me say this clearly. Getting scammed, it's not about intelligence, it's about vulnerability. In fact, believing you're too smart to be tricked is one of the biggest warning signs that you're at risk. The truth is, at some point in life, everybody becomes vulnerable, whether due to stress, grief, illness, distraction, loneliness, or misplaced trust. It happens every day. When I found out my family had been robbed, I was stunned. Later, I got angry. But I soon became determined to understand what had happened. I mean, I spent many months diving deep, reading books, case studies, government research, talking to law enforcement. I learned everything I could. And now, a year later, I'm releasing this video series and sharing all I've learned with you. Let's get started. Together, we'll take an inside look at a real-life cyber scam. My wife, I'll call her Mia. She fell victim to what is commonly known as a smishing scam. It started so innocently, with what appeared to be a misdirected text message, a simple mistake made by a stranger.
Tuesday, May 14th at 11:56 a.m.
Cindy, did you look at the dress design I sent you? What do you think?
There is no Cindy at this number.
I'm sorry. Mistakes are so embarrassing. I hope you have a great day.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You seem like a friendly person. If you don't mind, let's get to know each other. I'm from Korea and my English name is Jenny. My Korean name is Kim Soo-young. Call me Jenny. I now live in Irvine, California.
Hello, Jenny. My name is Mia. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mia. I'm a fashion designer who also runs a private high-end clothing design studio in Irvine.
Hello, Jenny. This is fun. I was born in the eastern United States, but today I live in California.
Mia, it's so nice to meet you. Our meeting must be fate. If you are willing, we can communicate more in the future.
It's nice to meet you as well, Jenny. How old are you? I feel the same way about how we met.
Mia, I am 38 years old. This is my work number, and sometimes my assistant uses this phone, so I can't chat too much on it.
I understand, Jenny. I won't bother you too much.
No, please don't misunderstand. I love to chat with you for a long time. Do you use messaging platforms?
Actually, Jenny, I'm not very familiar with instant messaging apps.
Notice how quickly the con artist, Jenny, shifts from stranger to friend. This emotional pivot is the beginning of grooming a victim, where trust is built through small, seemingly harmless gestures. And notice how Jenny quickly moved Mia to a secured app for increased privacy.
Wednesday, May 15th at 9:24 a.m.
Good morning, Sister Mia. I'm very glad to talk with you here. This is Jenny from South Korea.
Good morning, Jenny. I think it's great for us to talk on this secure app. Thanks for teaching me. Question: why do you greet me as a sister? I don't mind. I'm just curious.
I think your age is older than mine, so I call you elder sister. In South Korea, we call people older than us elder sister or elder brother.
I learned something new today. Thanks.
Sis, it's lunchtime for me and my assistant, and I just finished my morning work. Have you already had lunch?
Enjoy your lunch. My daily eating schedule is very unpredictable.
Sis, this is a photo of me. As a friend, I think I should let you know what I look like.
Jenny, you're beautiful. Here is a picture of me.
Sister, your smile is infectious and you are definitely a wise woman. Beauty is just superficial. Sincerity and kindness are more important.
Jenny, you're wise as well. The inside of a person is much more valuable than the outside.
Thursday, May 16th at 9:45 a.m.
Sister, I just got up to brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my makeup. Do you have any special plans today?
I don't have special plans today.
This morning I will go to the office and then do some shopping for children's books, clothes, and food snacks. In the afternoon, I plan to visit the kids at Children's Miracle.
What kind of place is Children's Miracle?
Sister, Children's Miracle is a non-profit charitable organization near me. If we meet, I'll take you there to visit those lovely children.
I'd love to visit Children's Miracle with you. Between you and me, we'd probably want to take home every single child and love them to pieces.
Notice how there's no money talk yet. The conversation is all personal. Lunch, makeup, charity. This slow relationship building process is intentional. Criminal cartels know that patience pays big.
Sister, as a young child, I suffered a near-death swimming accident that resulted in severe trauma. My body has always remained weak. I grew to become a woman who is not easy to get pregnant.
I'm so sorry to hear this, Jenny.
My ex-husband came from a traditional family. His parents thought that I could not give birth and would not continue the family line. So they began to put pressure on my ex-husband to divorce me.
Jenny, that's so sad.
Later, the situation became more serious. My ex-husband stayed out at night. I found out he was cheating with other women. When I questioned him, he denied it and hit me. After, I felt I was living in hell. Eventually, I couldn't bear such a life and we divorced.
I'm so sorry. I'm very thankful you're no longer in that abusive relationship.
Jenny shares her personal trauma. It's a story of infertility and domestic abuse. This is all emotional bait, a way to deepen false intimacy. Victims begin to feel bonded to a cybercriminal through fake shared vulnerability. It's all a lie. And this is just the beginning. In the next episode, you'll see how Jenny creates a convincing backstory and begins to shift the conversation towards wealth and opportunity. Please like, share, and subscribe. And visit ericrod.com for free informational resources and to support my educational mission. Thanks for watching.